Hello, my name is Ibnu Taufan. You can call me Taufan. I'm a third-year PhD student in School of Engineering. I am working on piezoelectric fabrication energy harvester.
My name is Nouman Ghafoor. I'm a third-year PhD student in School of Engineering. I'm working on electromagnetic vibration energy harvester. So our project is sustainable agriculture IoT sensor powered by the hybrid vibration energy harvester.
We want to combine our different PhD topics into a hybrid. So we combine piezo and electromagnetic for sustainable agriculture application. So the idea is to replace a battery because the current technology in agriculture applications are powered by batteries, but batteries, it has toxic materials and it's also need regular replacement. So we want to replace the battery for sustainable agriculture application.
The main idea is because we are already working individually on our projects in the PhD, like I'm working on electromagnetic and Taufan is working on piezoelectric. So this project gave us the opportunity to combine both of our work to make a hybrid device to power the IoT devices, especially for the agriculture.
We also want to to support the UN development goals. So it's like zero hunger or clean energy and like innovative industry. So we want to get a hybrid harvester to support this UN goal for sustainable agriculture especially. Sustainability means for us is we can simply turn off the light in our home to make our home more sustainable, and we can dispose our batteries in our home to collections for recycling. So that's the simple step or small step can get a huge impact that make our home or our campus more sustainable. Because we only have one planet, so we need to conserve this planet to make it sustainable.